Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Bernard, your marketing soldier. It is 30 May 2021. Just sending you an update on Matt AI. I am currently on vacation with the family here in Wrightsville, North Carolina, sitting at the beach, just maxing, relaxing with the family, having a good old time. And while I'm, hanging out, having a good old time, Matt AI is still doing the thing for me, guys. It's still earning me income 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on autopilot. So let's go to my eLedger here and see what we're looking at as far as earnings. So as of right now, the market has been kind of taking somewhat of a dive. I think Bitcoin is down to about 34,000. I think. Let me see. Let's look here. Bitcoin is down 7%. We're looking at $34,558, right? But if you go to my eLedger, let me show you something pretty cool, right? So since the last video, I've made I'm sitting at $146.63, right? So the last video I made, I was only sitting at probably about $106. But as you can see, on the 28th, I made $17. On the 29th, I made $18, and today being the 30th, so far I've only made $2.71 for the day. But the day's not over yet because the day doesn't end until noon on the 31st, and which is Memorial Day here in the United States, and I'm going to still be earning money from this bot. So let's go back to my trusted calculator. We're looking at $146.63. So let's go to my calculator here. And you take $146.63, divide that by my initial investment of $2,700, and that's 5.4% that I've earned in roughly about 5 days. So roughly I've earned about 1%, a little over a percent a day in Matt AI. Guys, that is just phenomenal results. The results just keep coming. They keep coming, right? So we're looking at 1, 2, 3. We're looking at 5 days today. We got to look at 5 days plus. This is my 6th day, barely getting started. So, guys, you got to get in this. You got to get your funds in here, and you got to get started, okay? Especially with the market the way it is. Just like I said in my last video, the way the market is right now, this is the ideal time to get in because it's only going to go up from here. It might take a little bit more of a dive. I mean, hell, Bitcoin might even go down to about 30,000. But the fact of the matter is, Bitcoin and all these altcoins are going to go right back up. So this is the perfect time to get in and secure your investment, right? I don't know what to tell you guys. I'm going to leave all my information below. I'm going to leave my email, my Facebook profile page. You can check me out there. Send me a message there. And you can also check out the other videos that I have, talking more about Matt AI and how it works. And guys, this is going great. I'm going to continue to use this bot, and things are going really great, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back to my vacation with the family, and just hit me up, Facebook, email, and I hope you get started. All right, guys. All right, this is Bernard McDonald, the marketing soldier, signing off.